Hi, I'm Henry Martin. I'm running for City Council for the City of Bristol. Why am I running for City Council? I'm running because, like you, I care about Bristol. I'd like to help make Bristol better, fairer, and more successful. I see myself as a moderate and as a political outsider. I believe this would be an advantage since I bring no political history. My only agenda is to guide Bristol toward a better future. I believe positioning Bristol to become more competitive for jobs, lifestyle, and business growth is important. Let's face it, we're competing against other towns and cities for people and businesses to move here. For this to happen, we need to be better than they are. We become better by marketing the city, hold each other accountable in managing the city fairly, efficiently, and by planning for the future. One of my top priorities is to get the message out about Bristol. It is a top city to live in, and that deserves to be marketed. Money Magazine ranked us 84th in the country as one of the top small cities to live in. Letting people and businesses know about our assets is significant in attracting them. We can be better by making sure that Bristol is managed fairly and efficiently. We can also make Bristol better by focusing on its future. Constructive reuse of Bingham, O'Connell, and Memorial Boulevard schools is imperative. Likewise, resurrecting and enhancing the West End is vital. I believe the skills that I have in construction, real estate, land development, and land use provides me the knowledge to make informed decisions to better Bristol. Furthermore, and simply put, it's up to us. Standing on the sidelines and watching doesn't determine the outcome of the game. The outcome is determined by the participants, its players, we who live here. We can't allow yesterday's success or failures to lull us into complacency. If new ideas and positive changes are to take place, we who live here will need to make it happen. We will have to make it happen if we want business growth. If we want to enhance the West End or constructive reuse of the closed schools, we need to get into the game. I am convinced if we challenge ourselves in raising the bar to be better at sharing ideas, holding each other accountable, and participating, Bristol will be better, more unique, and more prosperous. We can and should be the envy of all communities in Connecticut. On November 8th, I'm asking for your vote so that we can work together to make Bristol a better place.